QR codes have proven to be an effective marketing tool. They've helped many brands grow and boost sales. So with QRTIGER, you can achieve this and more. Stay tuned and we'll show you how.
Coming up with creative ways to market a product or service can be quite draining. It requires you to do intensive research and an effective plan of action. One of the best tools you can use to promote your product are QR codes. It can help you tie up your strategies together and make your campaigns more accessible to your target audience. If you want to know the marketing strategies in using QR codes, stay tuned to find out. Number 1. Use dynamic QR codes. There are two types of QR codes: static and dynamic. Static QR codes are fixed QR codes, and its contents cannot be edited. Its pattern is very dense and hard to read when a lot of data is encrypted. Dynamic QR codes, on the other hand, are the flexible type. It is best used for marketing since you can set up a QR code tracking system to track the number of scans, time of scan, scan location, and the user's device types. You can also edit the data you embedded on it even if you already printed your QR codes, saving you time and money from reprinting. Its variety of convenient features like data tracking, editing, and password protection are the ideal tools you need for your service and product's digital operations. Number 2. Visuals and placement. Visually appealing QR codes have an increased scannability rate of up to 30%. It is important that you make your QR codes visually pleasing yet fully functional at the same time. You can customize the colors of your QR codes however you like, so it's in line with your brand. Just keep in mind the rule of thumb in coloring your QR codes: the foreground should always be darker than the background. For example, if you're going to use a beige color palette, use the darkest color as the color for the QR code's pattern and eyes, then use the light colors as the background and frame colors. After customizing and generating your QR codes, you can then use it for your print media marketing. For a higher chance of your QR codes being scanned, it is important that you place it strategically. Number 3. Offer promos and discounts. When giving out promos and discounts, use QR codes to keep your users engaged. Get creative in coming up with a good QR code promo. Customers will then have an exclusive promo or discount that can only be used once they scan the QR code. Not only will this lead to more people purchasing your product or service, this will also greatly help in brand awareness. Number 4. Upselling and cross-selling. Another advantage of QR codes on your products is that you can use it for upselling and cross-selling. For example, you want to sell more than just one bottle of lotion. Scanning the QR code could inform customers about a 150 milliliters bottle they can purchase for a couple dollars less compared to buying 3 50 milliliters bottles of lotion. When cross-selling, you can offer customers complimentary items along with the lotion. Scanning the QR code on the lotion's packaging could also inform them to purchase a facial cleanser, a moisturizing spray, or a rejuvenating mask for a more intensive skincare regimen. Number 5. Use videos on your landing page. Video marketing has proven to be one of the most effective ways to promote and increase brand awareness. According to Forbes, conversion rates increase up to 80% when you embed a video on your landing page. They also stated that 64% of customers are more likely to buy a product when they see a video about it. Number 6. Link your social media. One of the best ways to engage with customers is through the use of social media. You can let customers know about new updates and hop on current trends to be at pace with your consumers. When you create your social media QR code at QRTIGER, you will see some use cases that you can base your design on, or you can design your own however you like it. After customizing your social media QR code, you can then put them up on your store's door, product packaging, website, or posters.
That's it. If you want to learn more, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell for the latest updates. You can also go to QRTIGER's website to start creating your own custom QR codes. And for further education on QR codes, click the link to our blog in the description box below. This has been David. I'll see you in the next video.